All right, got a little pike. And I didn't bring my pliers, so I'm so glad he just got it on the lip. Just a little guy. Whoop, whoop. Are you gonna go? There you go.